Alaska, the largest state in the United States, is often referred to as the last frontier due to its vast, unspoiled wilderness and remote landscapes. Covering over 663,000 square miles, Alaska is a land of extremes where towering mountains, expansive glaciers, and deep fjords coexist with rich cultural heritage and diverse wildlife. This unique state offers a wealth of experiences for adventurers, nature lovers, and those seeking tranquility away from the hustle and bustle of modern life. With its breathtaking scenery, abundant wildlife, and opportunities for outdoor activities, Alaska has become a premier destination for tourists from around the globe. This guide will delve into the natural wonders of Alaska and provide insights into planning a trip to this magnificent state. Alaska's natural beauty is one of its most defining features. The state is home to some of the most stunning landscapes in the world, characterized by dramatic mountains, vast tundras, and intricate waterways. The sheer scale and diversity of Alaska's ecosystems create a unique environment that is both captivating and awe-inspiring.